shot rubbers are dead. I got to make new rubbers. That TheraBand will only take exposure to the air and light so long, and I have to figure out why. I don't have any idea how I made this work. Okay, I see it. So you can see the drone.
Yeah. We can see it from over here, and I think we found the same branch that it's on from underneath it.
Jesus, son, I don't know about this. Okay.
There's a big open spot to where it's got to be on up that way.
And you're going to tighten that or wrap that around here, right up against the leather there, and just stretch it right out. Yeah, and wrap it with tension in it. Yeah, just keep going.
So these are just muzzle loading balls.
Yeah, 54s, I think. 50s or 54s. I think they're heavy enough, don't you?
I would hope so.
To get up there. You guys were using pretty good sized sinkers in that video. It's right above the sprig that goes off to the north. Straight above it. Can't quite get it from here. You get it from here. Old lady's finger's your bottom leg of it, and the limb above it's our limb. Oh, perfect shot. Perfect shot.
So nobody will believe us, but we shot an arrow up into the tree, and it came back down with this fish line.
Around the branch that the drone's on.
Around the branch the drone is on.
There's the arrow.
There's the arrow. Believe us or not.
Okay, now, piece of tape. Once we get this paracord up there, you might be able to see it, where we're actually going. The other question is, how many people would have enough stuff in their shop to do this? At some point, that's a question you have to ask yourself.
We feel like we're on a fine line between rednecks and engineers. Oh, wait.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get some line out. I don't know where I'm hung at.